Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on slowing down videos in iMovie for iPhone and iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Making videos slow motion is easy to do with iMovie. Start by adding the video to your timeline. Select the video in your timeline so that it's highlighted in yellow. Tap the Speed button from the bottom editing menu. You can now drag this slider to affect the speed of the video. Drag it to the left to make it slower, or drag it to the right to make it faster. It tells you how slow it is compared to the original clip in fractions. For example, 1/4 speed. If you only want to make a certain part of the clip slower, first split the clip and then edit the speed of the split clip. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iMovie tips and tricks.